What can $5 get you? It's not a lot, but what if we told you at APM $5 can do this? Help a family rebuild after a disaster, fill a fridge with food, send hope across 38 states, support one of 425 organizations we've helped since we began. APMCares, with your contributions, has given over $4 million to APM families going through hardships and 501c3 charitable organizations across our nation and served over 500,000 individuals. At APM, we're not just employees, we're owners of our work, our values, and our impact. So next time you think $5 can't go far, think again. Together, we've got this. Together, we give. Together, we own it.